Good morning, children, and welcome to English classes. Children, today we will be doing writing skills. There are various writing skills like letter writing, article writing, advertisement, invitation, replies. In my earlier video, we have done a formal letter also. So today our topic is article writing. Before I begin with article writing, I would like to tell you what is article writing. You must have seen in the newspapers or in the magazines that a piece of information is written, that is article. An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspapers, magazines, or journals. It may be the topic of interest of the writer or it may be related to some current issues. So, as you all know that COVID-19 is going on, the entire world is facing this disease, this problem. So, right now at the present time, every day we come to read about different articles in magazines and newspapers. So, I mean to say that article writing can be done on any topic. It can be on any topic, any issue. Now I will tell you what is the aim of article writing. First is it brings out the topics or the matter of interest in the limelight. It brings out the topics or the matter of interest in limelight. The article provides information on the topics, any topic. It offers suggestions and pieces of advice. Through article, if somebody wants to give any suggestion or advice, that can be given through article. It influences the readers and urges them to think. Sometimes it depends upon the topic of the article, and sometimes the readers, they are compelled to think. They can think positive also, they can think negative also, but it compels the readers to think. The article discusses various stories, persons, locations, rising issues, and technical developments. So these are the aim of article writing. Now here are some important points that you should keep in mind while writing an article. First is arrange the entire information and facts in a logical way. Your entire information and facts, they should be arranged in a logical manner. Gather all the information and identify the most significant details. So you should collect the entire information and try to identify, recognize the most significant details of the topic. Third point is identify the aim of writing the article. Why you are writing that particular article. You should know the aim, the objective of that. Always use proper grammar, spelling and punctuations. This is the general rule for all the writing skills. Heading of the article should be catchy and interesting. It depends upon the heading whether the reader is attracted or not. If the heading is not catchy, it is not attractive, then it will not be able to catch readers. So always the heading should be catchy so that the reader reads it and it is attracted to read that article at once. Use vocabulary skills. Now it's time to tell you format of article writing. So children, the first thing is heading. Heading, whatever topic is there in the question, you have to give the heading, and it is preferred that you write the heading in capital letters. After writing heading, you will write byline. What comes in byline? You will write by like this and then writer's full name. Suppose in the question it is given you are Rachit or you are Rachita. So then the writer name will be Rachit or Rachita. That you have to write here. If it is given Mukul Verma, then you will have to write here Mukul Verma. If suppose name is not given in the question, then what you have to do, you can write XYZ. You can write ABC like this. After writing heading and byline, you will leave one line. Leave one line and then write the first paragraph. Usually in article there are 3 paragraphs. Sometimes it is 4 also. It depends upon the topic. So in paragraph number 1, what you have to do, you have to give the introduction of the topic or issue. You have to give introduction, introduce the topic to the audience. So this first paragraph will include the introduction of the topic. After writing complete para 1, you will leave one line, then write paragraph 2. What will come in paragraph 2? Because in paragraph 1 you have given the introduction. So now in paragraph number 2, you will give the detailed description of the topic. Whatever details you have gathered, that will come under paragraph number 2. After finishing para 2, come to paragraph 3, and before beginning para 3, again you should leave one line. In paragraph 3, after giving, in para 1 you have given introduction, in para 2 you have given detailed description. So what comes in para 3? In paragraph number 3 you will give the conclusion. And what will you write in conclusion? You will write whatever steps are required, if any warning has to be given, if any advice you are willing to give, or if any message that you want to convey to the readers. So these are the 3 paragraphs, and this is the heading and this is the byline. In this manner we will complete article writing. Generally for 12th class article writing, the marks that article writing carries is 10 marks. So the article writing that comes for 10 marks, usually it carries 10 marks. So thank you children. This is the description I wanted to give you regarding article writing. Now I will give you a question for practice.